Hi, my name is Amruta Deshpande. I am working as a senior consultant at Trident. I would like to demonstrate the Power BI custom tooltip feature. Power BI has a default tooltip feature that replicates data available in the visual. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom tooltip that can contain other visuals or more details of the visual. This feature is really powerful and handy, which can help you to show more detail and relevant information in your tooltip. For the demo purpose, I have created a sample Power BI report with playground information by suburb in the council. The default tooltip shows the information already present in the table. But I would like to customize my tooltip. I would like to see the exact map location of the playground. Let's customize this tooltip. First, create a new page. Once the page is created, I will add a map to this page and I will set up properties of this map. Now click on the page anywhere and format this page. Go to format your report page option. Click on the page information and enable this option here. Go to canvas setting to customize height and width of this page. Let's set up 500 by 500. Now go back to your main report page. Right now I can see all these columns in my tooltip. Now let's set up new tooltip. Go to format your visual, click on general, click on tooltip and change this option from default to report page. And here select your tooltip page. Now let's check the tooltip of this table. This is showing me the exact map location of the playground. This is how you can customize your tooltip as per your requirement. Thank you for watching.